Federal three-judge panel today said Alabama's newly drawn congressional map fails to address Voting Rights Act problems and ordered a new map be drawn for the 2024 U.S. House races here in Alabama.
But that map won't come from the Alabama legislature. The court ordered 3 maps to be drawn by court-appointed map makers and to be completed by September 25th. The 3-judge panel said Alabama has failed to create a second congressional district where black voters would have the opportunity to elect the candidate of their choice. Now, today's ruling follows the U.S. Supreme Court's decision in June, which also found Alabama's black population is large enough and geographically compact enough to warrant a second majority or near majority black district. News 19's Dallas Parker joins us in the studio now with more. Dallas.
That's right. The court's ruling today shifts the map-making responsibility from the legislature to the court. The 3-judge panel said that can be intrusive, but the drawn by the legislature in July still fails to address the Voting Rights Act problems. The court's ruling included blunt language. The panel said it cannot recall another instance where a state is told its map unlawfully dilutes minority votes and that it needs to create another opportunity district, and it still fails to provide that district. The panel also rejected Alabama's claims that what it was ordered to do was unconstitutional. Alabama said district order was similar to this year's Supreme Court college affirmative action ruling, but the panel said that case was about achieving balanced outcomes in student population. While the Voting Rights Act only guaranteed equality of opportunity, not a guarantee of minority candidate success, House Minority Leader Anthony Daniels says the court is trying to provide a remedy for many black Alabama voters who historically have not had an opportunity to elect a congressional candidate of their choice.
The instructions for the courts were to draw a majority African-American district where African-Americans will have an opportunity to elect their candidate of choice, but you will have to be a majority in a certain race in order to elect your person of choice, to have the ability to elect your person of choice. If that person is not an African-American, then that's not what we're doing. We're dealing with giving this community an opportunity to elect their person of choice, regardless of what color they are.
The legislature worked together to meet the court's vague requirements. This is from the Alabama House Speaker Nathaniel Ledbetter. He says, so today's ruling is disappointing. Above all, it's frustrating that the court chooses to legislate when the Alabama legislature knows our citizens, hometowns, and communities better than any federal judge. Again, that's Alabama House Speaker Nathaniel Ledbetter. The Alabama Attorney General's office said today it plans to ask the U.S. Supreme Court for a prompt review of today's decision. Emily.